Hello everyone, hello Karbi Anglong. Today we are introducing tourist guides of Karbi Anglong. And right?
Kardom. Please come to Karbi Anglong to experience what you have never experienced before. Kardom din tao Karbian. Kardom din po habi sa laro Bamian. Kardom din tao Karbian. Kardom din po habi sa laro Bamian.
Kardom ni ridu dilun se. Kardom ni ridu dilun se.
Unsepi, kleng dun, kleng sarpoan. Kardom din tao Karbian. Kardom din po habi sa laro Bamian.
Kardom. Today we all are wearing traditional dress, so I would like to tell about my pini. This pini is very old and this is called Sibukijang.
Kardom, and I'm wearing peacock. This is called PSRP in our Karbi traditional language. Thank you.
And today I will tell you something about one cock. This one is one cock and it is used so that our pini is tightened up and so that you can dance and also enjoy.
Kardom. Today I would like to tell about something traditional jewelries. This is Nothengpi, this is Roibahu, and this is leg hiki. This one is leg hiki. This is leg penkhera, and this is leg thengthe, and this is dengji.
Kardom. Today I'm wearing modern Karbi traditional dress with black hanky. Thank you.
Kardom. Today I'm wearing the oldest Karbi peacock which is PSRP which is used in our Karbi community. Thank you.
Kardom. I'm wearing modern Karbi traditional dress. Today, mostly people are use this type of dresses. This is designer dresses. Thank you.
Kardom. Karbi Anglong is famous for unique cuisine. Thank you.
Kardom. Today I'm wearing Karbi traditional and this is called poho.
Kardom. Today I'm wearing a Karbi jacket called Choi Ik.
Kardom. Today I'm wearing here. It is called Choi Ang.
Kardom. Today I'm wearing my traditional dress. This is called Choi Hong Thor. It comes with different colors and different stripes. And I'm wearing Jirpan, or it's also called Chepan. It comes with different colors and it's part of our dress.
Kardom. Today I am wearing a Karbi poho. This is called white poho. It's indicated bachelor. Thank you.
I always put on my jamburong to carry every luggage. Thank you.
Namaste. This is called Gorkha hat.